2009 Saturn View. This will work for, I think, Opel Antera, Chevy Captiva, and Saturn View 2008, 2009, and some 2010 models. So, to get the seat off the rail, there's this little latch. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what is holding the seat in. So, you push it, and it should release. Sun's in my eyes, but see? And then you press that, and the seat will just pop up. There's a little latch system that it moves. And there you go. It's this little latch. Right there on the seat back. Same on the other side. Same procedure. To install the seat, you just put it onto these little hooks. Thanks for watching. Bye.